Okay, for pre-UPS2, discuss number 1, the equation of the parabola with x at origin, symmetry with respect to y axis, and passing through the point to -3. Okay, find the equation of parabola. The parabola is maybe opens right, left, up, and down. That is the parabola. Okay, and here, let's sketch graph. Sketch a graph. Okay, all the info and sketch graph. Origin. The text as origin. Symmetry with respect to y-axis. Here, as y-axis. Maybe the parabola is opens up and down. Right? Because of the y is symmetry to y-axis. Then the next is passing through point to -3. So let's see here to -3. Okay, to -3 and origin. Okay, y-axis passing through -3, and this is the vertex. So the parabola is okay here, and then vertex, then down here passing through the point to -3. The parabola is opens down. It will be opens up, right? Because of the vertex here and the point is here. So in this pattern, okay, the pattern is same like y equals x squared, right? Okay, this is a spanning graph. Okay, y squared. Pattern y squared of y equals -x squared. Okay, it's like this. So x minus h squared, okay, equals 4p y minus k. This is the pattern. Okay, and since the vertex is 0, 0, substitute 0, 0, then x squared is equal to 4py. X squared equals 4py, and then okay, we want to find value for p. Okay, passing through point to -3. To -3 and substitute. This is value x. This is value y. Substitute okay to here, -3 here to find p. Okay, and it is 2 squared 4p -3. So here is 4 -12p. Therefore, p is equal to -1/3. Okay, the next step is substitute this value, this p, to this equation. Okay, and then x squared is equal to 4 okay, times -1/3y. It implies that x squared is equal to -4/3y. Check answer. Oh, bring 3 to up here. So here is right down here, right? 3x squared is equal to -4y. Okay, 3x squared equals -4y. So that's is A. Oh, that's is A. Okay. For number 2, okay, the focus of parabola. Find the focus of parabola given this equation. So the focus of parabola, I take the info from the sketching. That says sketch the parabola. The parabola, this one is H, A. Okay, vertex H, K is equal to -1, -3. Okay, sketch, simple sketch. -1, -1, -3. Oh, here. Just this is y axis, x axis, -1, negative. Here, vertex. Then okay, check oh p for p. So the pattern is like this: y minus k squared equals 4p s minus h. So 4p is equal to 8. 4p is equal to 8. Okay, then p is equal to 2. P positive. The parabola is open to right. Okay, P positive. Okay, here distance P from vertex is 2. Is focus. Okay, focus. We're going to find focus, right? Yeah. So 2 is negative 1. 1. So here is 1. Okay, x is 1. And y value is negative 3. Okay, negative 3. Here, same this one, right? Negative 3. So the answer is 1, negative 3, B. Okay, that is B. Settle for number 3. Number 2. Number 3. Find the equation of the circle if the end points of the diameter here and here. Okay, given the 2 points represent the diameter. Circle. And this is A. Coordinate 3, 2. B to 5. Okay, because this diameter, join this one. Center is the midpoint of AB. Okay, center of the circle is midpoint of AB. Okay, so C is equal to midpoint of AB. Okay, x plus x divided by 2. Okay, and y plus y divided by 2. Okay, write down this one. 3 plus 2 over 2. 2 plus 5 over 2. And this one is equal to 5 over 2. 7. This is center. Okay, center. And we're going to find R. R is a half of made to AB. R equals half made to AB. And find AB. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. AY minus Y. Okay, 5 minus 2 squared. Okay, x minus x. Let's say 3 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 5. And then half 1 is 3, 9. So 10 over 2. This is radius. Then I'm using the standard form. Okay, and then this is R. This is value R and center. I'm going to use standard form. Standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, substitute h. This is h. Okay, minus 5 over 2 squared plus y minus 7 over 2 squared is equal to 10 over 2. Okay, this one expand x squared minus 5x plus 25 over 4 plus y squared minus 7y plus 49 over 4 is equal to 10 over 4. Okay, simplify. X squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 7y. Okay, bring 10 over 4 to the left. So 25 plus 49, 74 minus 10, 64. 64 over 4 is equal to answer is C. Okay. number 4. What is the length of tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals 9 from the point 4, 0? Circle. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, and then and point from point. Let's say the point is here, 4, 0. Then the length of the tangent. Okay, this is length of the tangent. Okay, and this is considered named as P, the length of tangent. And now, so the length of the tangent is, okay, here is consider center 0, 0, and r squared is equal to 9. Okay, r3 here. Okay, r is equal to 3. Tangent form 90 degree. So now we're going to find D. Find this one first. Okay, from this point center, let's say this is point A. Okay, we find the distance CA, that is 4. Okay, 4 minus 0 squared plus 0 minus 0 squared is equal to 4. Then we go using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, D is equal to 4. Okay, 4 squared minus 3. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Answer is 7. This is length of tangent, 7 unit. Number 5, the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Center is 5, negative 1. Radius r is equal to 2. So you have two methods. Besides using the standard form to find the equation of the circle, you can use general form. The general form formula is x squared plus y squared plus 2dx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, we're going to find, okay, this is actually center. Okay, center is, okay, center, if using this general form, that is negative t, negative f. So given that 5, negative 1, and here negative g is equal to 5, and then negative f is equal to negative 1. Okay, negative g is equal to 5, therefore g is equal to negative 5. Negative f is equal to negative 1, therefore f is equal to 1. So settle for g and f. Now we're going to find c. Okay, c, the formula to find c, okay, remember this formula, r equals square root c squared plus f squared minus c, or c is equal to g squared plus f squared minus r squared. Okay, substitute g squared is equal to 25 plus 1, and r is equal to minus 4. 21 to 22. A is equal to 22, and substitute. Okay, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, right, is equal to 0. So g negative 5, f is 1, c is 22. Define x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 2y plus 22 is equal to 0. Check by negative minus negative plus, so that is p. Settle for number 5. Number 6. A circle with center 4, negative 5 is a tangent to the y-axis. Tangent to y-axis in the standard xy coordinate plane. What is the radius of the circle? Okay, try to sketch simple graph. Okay, x, y plane. And the center for 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. This is that one. And then since it's touch tangent to the y-axis, touch y-axis. Okay, touch y-axis. Okay, and let's say this is that one. Simple. Then touch y-axis. Now it's touch y-axis. Okay, done. Okay, so it means here the distance from here is r. Form a 90 degree. Why? Because of that one is tangent r. So distance from the center to this line axis is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. For number 7, what is the radius of the circle given this circle? Find the radius. Okay, you can complete the square and find the radius from the standard form of the equation of the circle, or using the general form. Okay, so using the general form, you need to make sure divide by 4. Make sure the coefficient of x squared and y squared is equal to 1. Okay, divide by 4. X squared plus y squared minus 5x plus 3y minus 15 over 4 is equal to 0. Okay, then here to find value for radius. Formula radius is r equals square root of d squared plus f squared minus c. So from here, the general form is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is okay. 2g is equal to negative 5. Okay, here. Okay, then I'll write down here is for f. Now this is for e. Then the next is for c. Okay, 2g is equal to negative 5 implies that g is equal to negative 5 over 2. Okay, 2f is equal to 3 implies that f is equal to 3 over 2. And c is equal to negative 15 over 4. Substitute. Okay, substitute here. So r is equal to negative 5 over 2 squared plus 3 over 2 squared minus negative 15 over 4 minus. Okay, here minus. Then 25 over 4 plus 9 over 4 plus 15 over 4. Okay, you can find the value 25 plus 15, 40, 49 over 4 square root 7 over 2. Okay, r equals 7 over 2 or 3.5 unit. Answer is E. Number 8. Find the equation of the circle whose center is negative 1, 2 and passes through the point 3, 5. Okay, so this is given in standard form. Okay, the option I use a standard form. Okay, the standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, and this is h k. Okay, substitute the value and x minus plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to r squared. Okay, then this point passes through lies on the circle. So we can substitute x here 3, y 5. Find r. Okay, 3 plus 1 squared plus 5 minus 2 squared is equal to r squared. Therefore, 16 plus 9 is equal to r squared. R squared is equal to 25, and know that r positive. Therefore, r is equal to 5. Okay. Then here is the value, center, and the radius. And substitute in this standard form. X minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 5 squared. Or in this one, this equation, this one is negative, so positive. Yeah. So x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 25. Okay, plus this b. Number 9. Number 9 is the equation of ellipse. Because vertices are plus minus 5, 0, negative 5, 0, and the foci is 4, 0, therefore 0 is. So from here, I try to sketch simple ellipse. Okay, the vertices 5, negative 5. So let's say this is 5. Okay, and also this is negative 5. V1, V2. Then the foci is 4. This is 4 and negative 4. Okay, this is F1, F2. So from here, confirm center is midpoint. This is midpoint. Center is 0, 0. And let's say if you try to sketch the ellipse is horizontal ellipse. Then okay, the standard form is k is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to 1. Okay, because of horizontal, a is below x. See x minus 0 over a. This is a. This is a. Distance from center to vertex is a. A is equal to 5. And then plus y minus 0 squared. Okay, going to find b. Okay, is equal to 1. To find b, using the formula cap, c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Okay, so c, a is equal to 5. C, from the given info, c is distant from center to focus 4. And then c is 4, 16. A 25 minus b squared. B squared is equal to 9 and b positive. Therefore b is equal to 3. Or just that b squared is equal to 9. Okay. Then the answer simplify. X squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, the answer is A. So, number 10. Find the length of minor axis of ellipse. Okay, here, change this equation to standard form. Okay, the standard form means that this 1. We need to multiply both sides, left and right, by 1 over 18. So here is 3x squared over 18 plus 2y squared over 18, 18 over 18. Okay. Simplify. X squared over 6 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. Okay, length of minor axis. Okay, so here is considered a squared, and when below x is considered b squared. Okay, a squared is equal to 9, b squared is equal to 6. Okay, b positive, therefore b is equal to 6. Okay, so let's say the ellipse is vertical ellipse. Why vertical? Because the bigger number is below y. Let's say this is A1. Okay, the major axis is length of major axis AA to A. 2A, length of major axis A. Okay, this side, this one, the other side is ni. This one is length of minor axis. That is 2B. 2B. B. 2B means 2 times 36. 2 times 36. Okay, see. Okay. Okay. If this vector and also this vector are parallel vector, then find B. Find B. Let's say this is vector U and vector V. Given vector U is parallel to vector V, okay, when to show the two vectors are parallel, we can use this equation. We can write that U is equal to lambda vector V. So this is vector U right here, and this is vector V. And then U is I, or write down in the matrix form. Okay, 1 negative A 5 is equal to lambda 3 negative 6 B. Okay, and check. Okay, compare the component. Component I is I1 is equals 3 lambda, implies that lambda is equal to 1 over 3. And okay, so this is component K. Component K. Okay, K means 5 is equal to lambda B. Lambda is equal to 1 over 3. So 5, 1 over 3 B. B is equal to 15. Answer is 15. Okay. Number 12. Find the value of lambda for which the vectors are perpendicular. So name this one is U and V. Perpendicular. Vector U is perpendicular to vector V. So it implies that vector U dot vector V is equal to 0. Okay, when the two vectors are perpendicular, so you have to remember this statement. U dot V is equal to 0. And using the matrix form, right in the matrix form, 3, 1, negative 2, 1, lambda, negative 3 is equal to 0. Then, component I times component I plus component J times component J plus component K times component K is equal to 0. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 times lambda is lambda. Okay, plus negative 2 times negative 3, 6 is equal to 0. So 9 plus lambda is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to negative 9. So it is negative 9. Number 13, the unit vector. Okay, unit vector as cap or head like this. Okay, so vector A over modulus A is the formula for a unit vector. A unit vector which is perpendicular to both vectors. Okay, name this one is vector U, vector V. Okay, so find a unit vector which are perpendicular. A vector which are perpendicular to both vectors. Okay, so let's say this is vector U and vector V. Okay, find the vector, okay, which is perpendicular to vector U, perpendicular to vector V. So we call this one as vector N. So vector N, find the vector N and find a unit vector. So to find vector N, so that we find a unit vector of N. Okay, and to find a vector N, we need to cross product between the two vectors. Is vector U cross vector V. Okay, N is equal to U is 1, negative 2, 3 cross 2, 3, negative 1. And using the determinant, use this method. Cancel. Okay, negative 2 times negative 1. Okay, that is 2 minus 3 times 3, 9. Okay, so that one. Okay, the second is cancel the component T, like negative. So 1 times negative 1, negative 1 minus 3 times 2. Okay, cancel this one. The next is cancel component K. So 1 times 3, 3 minus negative 2 times 2, negative 4. Okay, so simplify this one. 2 minus 9, negative 7. Negative 7, negative 7. So this is 7. Okay, this is n. Okay, n of negative 7i plus 7j plus 7k. Set up. This is n. And vector n. Okay, now we're going to find vector modulus for vector n. Modulus for vector n. Negative 7 squared plus 7 squared plus 7 squared is equal to 49 plus 49 plus 49. Or 3 times 49 or 7 set 3. Okay, or can use calculator. Okay, now we're going to find vector, a unit vector. Okay, that is this one. Okay, a unit vector n hat is equal to, the formula is n hat is equal to n over modulus n, right? Okay, so negative 7 here, negative 7. Okay, negative 7 here, right? I component, so it's j, and this one is okay. Okay, negative 7 over 7 set 3i. Okay, plus 7 over 7 set 3j plus 7 over 7 set 3k. Then simplify. 1 over set 3i plus 1 over set 3j plus 1 over set 3k. Okay, answer. Or I negative minus plus j plus k over set 3. Negative I plus j plus k over set 3. This is the answer B. Okay. Number 14. The value of the cross product. Okay, this is a vector of two vectors a minus b and a plus b is. So we're going to find this one. This expression. Okay, so given this vector, two vectors, one vector, the second vector. Okay, the value of the cross product. So write down this one. A. Okay, A minus vector B cross A plus B. Okay, do this one first. A cross this one. Okay, the A cross A plus vector B. Okay, then this is minus. Okay, B cross this vector. Okay, so B cross vector B cross A vector A plus vector E. For the first one, and the next step is this one, A cross A cross A, and plus A cross B. Okay, minus B cross A, vector B cross vector A, plus vector B cross vector A. Okay, then here, okay, for the two vectors, okay, when the same vector cross, you get 0 and 0. Okay, A cross A is equal to 0. B cross B is equal to 0. Why 0? Because of the same, if you change to determinant, and that one is same row, and same row can give determinant is equal to 0. And, okay, A cross B is equal to negative B cross A. So the next step is, this one is equal to 0 plus 0. A plus vector A cross B, okay, minus vector A cross B. So the answer is 2, okay, times vector A cross vector B. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, all in bracket. Settle. For number 15, find the angle between the line. Okay, this one given in Cartesian equation for a line. This is line. Okay, Cartesian equation. So just find this one. Okay, first. Okay, find n. Find v. Find v. Okay, for a line. Okay, check the standard form for equation, Cartesian equation of a line is x minus a1 over v1, y minus y1 over v2, z minus z1 over v3. Okay, and okay, let's say this is a line, and this is A, coordinate A1, A2, A3, and this is V. V is direction vector which lies on the line or outside the line. V is equal to V1 I plus V2 J plus V3. Okay, V3 K. Okay, so this is the, if you change the equation of the line to Cartesian equation, this is okay. This one and mesh. So here for the first line, x minus 5, this one is V, named as V1, is equal to 7I minus 5J z plus 0 over 1, and then plus K, 1K. Okay, here for this one, x plus or x minus 0 over 1, so name this one is V2. Okay, I, okay, plus 2J plus 3K. Okay, so this find the angle between this line means that find the angle between V1 and V2 using the formula. Find angle using the formula A dot B equals modulus A modulus B cos theta. Cos theta is equal to A dot B over modulus A modulus B. Okay, cos theta is equal to V1 dot V2 over V1 modulus V1 modulus V2. Okay, so you're going to find the, okay, the first is here, V1 dot V2. Okay, V1 dot V2, V1 dot V2 is equal to 795 1 dot 1 2 3, and then 7 times 1 7 plus negative 10 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, actually this is equal to 0 over something equal to 0. Okay, cos 0 is equal, cos theta is equal to 0. Because theta is equal to 0 degree, therefore theta is equal to 90. Okay, automatically get the answer. So you don't have to find this modulus V and also modulus V1 and V2. Okay, dah. Settle for number 15. Number 16. The position vector of three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are given this one. The position vector of the fourth vertex is. Okay, let's see. This is parallelogram. Okay, it's parallelogram. Okay, and this is A, B, C. Consecutive. Let's say this is A, B, C. Okay, and to find the fourth vertex, A. Okay, to find D, you find D. Okay, then using the midpoint. Why? Because of this midpoint of AC here. Okay, let's say this one is equal to midpoint BD. Okay, this is E. Let's say this midpoint is E. So find the midpoint, and from this value E, we find D. Okay, first is E is midpoint of AC. So component I divide by 2, component J divide by 2, component K divide by 2. Okay, this one between AC, between A and C. A and C. Okay, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 1 plus 11, 1 plus 11. So the answer is 5. So it's 5. This one is 6. No, this one is 4. Okay, 4. Okay, settle. So next is E also midpoint of BD. E given E is equal to 4, 5, 6 and is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, over 2 component I, over 2 component J, over 2 component K. Okay, let's say point E is X. Okay, X, Y, Z. Okay, so concentrate this one. Okay, this one is okay. Using the B and D midpoint. E is midpoint B and D. 1 plus X, 1 plus X divided by 2, 3 plus Y, 3 plus Y, 5 plus Z. Okay, and compare. Okay, compare implies that here. So for component I, and then component J here, and then component K. Okay, component K. Okay, 1 plus X over 2 is equal to 4. Component I, 1 plus X is equal to 8. Therefore, X is equal to 7. Settle. Component J, 3 plus Y over 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus Y is equal to 10. Therefore, Y is equal to 7. Settle. Component K, 5 plus 7, Z over 2 is equal to 6. 5 plus 7, Z is equal to 12. Therefore, Z is equal to 7. Therefore, point D is 7, 7, 7. Or change to position vector. D is equal to 7I plus 7J plus 7K. The answer is D. Okay. Number 17. What is the value of P if the vector, this vector has a magnitude of 3? So, okay, P 2I minus J plus 2K, okay, magnitude is equal to 3. Okay, and okay, this one right in this find the magnitude. P squared, okay, 2 squared plus negative 1 squared plus 2 squared is equal to 3. Okay, get it off square root by squaring both sides and get the answer is P squared 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this one is 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9. P squared is equal to 9. P squared is equal to 1. P is equal to, okay, plus minus 1. P is equal to 1. Okay, answer is A. Number 18. What is the vector perpendicular to both I minus J and I? A vector I minus J and vector I perpendicular here and perpendicular to this vector and also this vector. So to find n using the cross product between the two vectors, the vectors, okay, I minus J and I. Let's say if you want to use this form, okay, not determinate, this form, 1, negative 1, let's say you can write 0. Oh, actually, 1, okay, so agree, okay, 1, 0, 0, and then find this one. Okay, it's so simple. So let's follow this one step. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Oh. Okay, and here cross that one, negative, and then it is 0, 0, 0, so 0. Okay, and the last is cancel this one and get 0 minus negative 1 times 1 negative 1. So okay, simplify, okay, n is equal to 0, 0, 1. Okay, or n is equal to k. The value is d. Okay. Number 19. Given the Cartesian equation of the line through point -2, 5, 2 with direction vector is 3, -3, -4. This one is a direction vector. So we can write this one is V is equal to 3I minus 5J minus 4K. And this is also can represent a vector. Okay, and this is point A. Okay, to find the equation, okay, Cartesian equation of the line. Okay, and then if you remember the formula, you can use directly. Okay, so you can remember the pattern. The pattern is, let's say you put the pattern x minus a1 over v1, y minus a2 over v2, z minus a3 over v3. This one is a1, a2, a3, v1, v2, v3. Just substitute x minus negative 2 over 3, a, y minus 5 over negative 5, and z minus 2 over negative 4. Okay, check this one. Okay, so it's negative 4, negative 4. Okay, negative 5, negative 5, 3. Okay, and it is a1, a1, negative 2, 5, 5, 2, 2. Okay, the pattern is minus, minus, minus. The next is simplify. x plus 2 over 3 k is equal to check x minus x plus 2 over 3 x minus k. This is an answer. X plus, not the answer. Okay, so the answer is A. Okay, this is x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, continue. Y minus 5 over negative 5 and z minus 2 over negative 4. Okay, answer is A. Number 20. Find the equation of a plane normal. Consider this is n is equal to this vector and passes through the point 9559. Equation of a plane. Equation of a plane. Write down the equation. R dot n equals n dot a. Okay, plane. Okay, here is A lies on the plane. This is considered A. Passing through or lies on the plane. Okay, and this is N. N is perpendicular to the plane. So just normal or perpendicular normal to the plane. So this is N. And the substitute. Okay, R dot 5i minus 7j minus 3k is equal to 5i minus 7j minus 3k dot A is okay, from point change to position vector OA. A is equal to 95i plus 5j plus 9k. Okay, 95i plus 5j plus 9k. Okay, and then this one given in actually in Cartesian equation. So in this case, x R is x, y, z at any point. Okay, 5, -7, -3 is equal to, okay, like in the matrix form, 5, -7, -3 and dot -5, 5, 9. Okay, and this one is 5x minus 7y minus 3z. Okay, so okay, continue. Negative 25 component I times component I, 25 negative, plus component j, negative 7 times 5, negative 35, and plus component k, negative 3 times 9, negative 27. Okay, and this one is equal to 60, 87, negative 87. Check. So this one is 5x, that is the one is answer is C. The answer is C. Right? Find the direction cosine of a vector. Given vector, direction cosine. Okay, you need to find modulus. Find modulus of vector A. Okay, so 25 plus 4 plus 64, and then is equal to, this one is 29 plus 64 is equal to 93. So, okay, 3. And then cos alpha, direction cosine, cos alpha, take the component I over this one. So right here. Okay, 5 over 93. Settle. Component cos beta. Okay, take this one. Component d over this right here. Okay, this one is equal to negative 2 over 93. Settle. And then here cos component k over this one right here. Okay, so that one is equal to component k is 8 over 93. Answer is, okay, this is cos 5 over negative 2. Oh, this one is not square root. Okay, this is number 22. Given the line L passing through the point 1, 2, 3 is perpendicular to the plane, which of the following statement is true? Given this is the plane, pi, plane, and the line, line perpendicular, line perpendicular, line L, plane pi, right? Okay, and the line passes to the point 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, lies on the line L. It doesn't mean that it also lies on the plane. Okay, and here, okay, from here, okay, the normal vector, okay, plane, normal vector, perpendicular to the plane, and L also given perpendicular, right? Okay, and we can conclude, okay, normal, this is parallel. Okay, L parallel to N. Okay, or check. Normal vector statement is true. The normal vector to the plane is 2i minus 7j plus 2k. Oh, this one. Okay, 2x minus 7y plus 2z is equal to 1. And the formula, not the formula, the equation is r dot n is equal to p, right? So the r is x, y, z. N is equal to coefficient of this one. Okay, 2i minus 7j plus 2k. So this one is okay. It's okay. 2. The next is the direction vector of L. Direction vector of L. That is L, direction vector L, V. Direction vector V is, okay, 2, negative 7, and 2. Okay, and since L is perpendicular to plane pi, it implies that, okay, L is parallel to N, or L is V, right? V parallel to N, or V is equal to N. N is equal to, okay, this one to I minus 2J plus 2K, and V also the same one. So direction vector V is direction vector V is equal to, this one is correct, true. The direction vector of line L is I plus 2J plus 3K. No, it's not. None of this no. So the answer is 1 and 2. B. Settle for this pre UPS. Okay, bye.